Hi my friends. Recently, I have posted videos about products I made. Thank you for supporting my videos. With the wish of some of you are watching my YouTube channel, you can't see the details in the 3-minute video, so I've tried to make the videos longer and more detailed so you guys can see it more clearly every step of the way I make creative works. To support and motivate me to make the next videos, I hope you will like, share, and subscribe to our channel to see our unique videos as soon as possible. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take a look at our website. A friend once told me that we are not given a good or bad life. We are given a life. Making it good or bad is up to us. Life is a journey, not a destination. And if you like our works, you can visit the website right on the corner of the screen for more details. We are very happy to have you to visit our website, and we have a lot of special deals and gifts for you. If you are watching our video till now, you are definitely our precious friends and we will give you a 5% discount when you purchase first order on our website. Hurry up, there are many unique gifts waiting for you. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel to give us more motivation to make more videos for everyone.